let's get into your stock picks. Grant, where are you seeing opportunity at the moment?
So I'm going for Salesforce, which is the sort of preeminent customer relationship management business. They're prevalent all over the world, including South Africa. The likes of Standard Bank use them, and many other big corporates. And I think the big question mark has been with software businesses is, does AI disrupt them completely? And they all go out of business. And you're seeing that in a lot of price depression across the likes of Salesforce, Adobe, and any number of software stocks. I think they can't all lose. There will be winners and there will be losers. Salesforce, to me, is an incumbent. They have deep domain knowledge and expertise of client-specific data, and I think they are well positioned. They've got good traction in their agent force, which is their AI implementation strategy. Highly cash generative. It's cheapest it's been in many years. It's trading on like 18 times next year's cash flow. So I think they're going to be a winner. I think the risk reward is in your favor. There's good early signs of AI adoption by customers. And so that's my pick. Salesforce, I think they'll be one of the software winners that survive the AI disruption.
All right, let's get your pick then, JP.
Also an offshore stock. It's listed in London, although next year it's going to also have a listing in New York, and that's Wise. Wise operates a foreign exchange remittances platform. So if you want to transfer money overseas or want to accept payments from overseas, it's by far the cheapest way to do that. The banks really charge very high fees when it comes to foreign payments and receipts. And there's this global system between the banks called SWIFT, which is also clunky, takes a long time. So Wise came in and they created this platform with a bunch of local accounts in different countries. And that means that they can offer these foreign exchange transfers very quickly and much more affordably, while still maintaining a decent margin for themselves. So it's been growing very strongly. Adoption has been very strong. They've even now created a platform business where they go to the banks and tell them that maybe the bank should move to using Wise in the background, which over the long term might benefit the banks. And they started now not only doing these remittances, but also having a Wise, effectively a bank account or a wallet and a credit card on the back of that, some investment accounts. So they are diversifying away from pure remittances to also making money from wider financial services. And because of that, I think the shares are relatively well priced. So I would buy some Wise shares this Christmas.
Like what you did there. JP, Grant, thanks so much for your time. Really appreciated. That's all for Stockwatch today. Thanks to my guests, Grant Nader from Benguela Global Fund Managers and JP Verster from Protea Capital Management. Up next, The Close.